Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about free stuff team rar.com reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with new Team RAR theme based multiple products including shirts, hoodies, sports clothing, hats, phone cases and various accessories. Here you can take a look at the product collection. Talking about the prices, guys, the prices of these offerings are affordable and too good to be true. Now let's talk about other information including payment. So guys, they have not provided any payment information on the site, but let's check out the shipping policy, and for that you need to visit the FAQ section. So guys, here is the shipping information, and you can see all domestic orders will be shipped within 2 business days and delivered within 3 to 5 business days. And talking about international orders, so guys, international packages will take typically 2 to 4 weeks to arrive to their destination. So this was the shipping policy. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection and SSL integration, which is a positive sign about this website. But talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 24th of June 2019. So guys, this website is an old website which define its legitimacy. However, we'll explore the entire information related to about us, that means company's information and contact details. So let's check out the about us details of this website. So guys, for that you need to visit the menu option button, and here you will find the about us information, and they have provided the entire information related to company's offerings or the business details and business owners information. So guys, this is a positive sign again, and let's talk about the contact details of this website. For that you need to visit the FAQ section, guys, because in the contact us page you'll only find the query form type columns, but in the FAQ section you can find the email address, which is support@teamrar.com, which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. They have not provided the company's official address and contact number, which is a negative sign, guys. Now talking about social media existence, so you can view the entire 3 social media icons, which are Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So yes, this website has strong social media presence on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, guys. So this is a positive sign which define its legitimacy again. Now guys, talking about a return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. For that you need to stay at the FAQ section page, and yes, you can see they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And yes, guys, talking about free stuff team rar.com reviews, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet, and we have found 4.1 rating out of 5 on Trustpilot as well. Guys, most of the customers are satisfied with the quality of the products and with the customer service as well. One of the customers said, "Fast, friendly service, got what I paid for, love it." Another customer wrote, "My son loved his Team Aria t-shirt, great soft fabric." However, few comments were negative, and one of the customers wrote, "I didn't receive my order. I ordered about 3 weeks ago. I have only had one email communication, although I have emailed 3 times. There has been resolution." But guys, the RAR team RAR replied on that comment and apologized for the inconvenience. So this is again a positive sign that the customer team is active and responding the users easily or on the time. So guys, this is again a positive sign, and yes, In the final conclusion, the website appears to be legit. This is a legit website. You can give it a try by ordering some of the desired products. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, guys. Hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.